If you're trying to lose fat and build muscle, these high-protein grilled cheese breakfast burritos pack 60 grams of protein each, and this makes 10 burritos you can easily meal prep and store in the freezer for weeks. To a pan on medium heat, cook up some diced onion followed by extra lean beef mince, the seasonings listed on screen or in the caption below, then add some diced garlic and some wash your sister sauce and let it fully cook through. Then add tomato paste, mix it and set it aside. And to make the best and fluffiest eggs, start by mixing them with some salt, then on low to medium heat add some light butter with the eggs and constantly stir and fold them gently until they're nice and fluffy just like this. Then grab a warm tortilla, evenly distribute mayo and chives, roll it tightly, repeat the process for the other burritos, place some cheese on a pan with the burritos on top for a few minutes to seal them until they're golden brown and crispy, wrap them up, store them in the fridge or freezer and reheat. If you're trying to lose fat and build muscle but love mac and cheese, this honey garlic chicken mac and cheese has 60 grams of protein per serving, is so easy to make and perfect for meal prep. Start by grabbing your diced chicken breast, add some olive oil with the seasonings listed on screen or in the caption below, mix it well, then cook it on medium to high heat and once the chicken's cooked, set it aside. Now cook up some diced garlic followed by some soy sauce and water with some chili flakes and cornstarch mixed with water to heat, add some honey, add the chicken back in and mix it all together. Add some more garlic followed by fat-free evaporated milk, light cream cheese, a bit of chicken stock powder, followed by light cheddar cheese. Mix and let it melt while you cook your pasta on the stove. And once the cheese is creamy, add the cooked and drained pasta and mix it together until it sounds like something you've heard before. Now divide the honey garlic chicken and the mac and cheese into 4 equal servings. If you love pizza but you're trying to lose fat and build muscle, these low-calorie and high-protein pepperoni pizza pockets are the perfect snack you can easily meal prep to take to work or school and can be stored in the freezer for weeks. To a pan, cook up some sliced pepperoni until it's nice and crispy, then set it aside and add some extra lean beef mince with the seasonings listed on screen or in the caption below, then add some diced garlic, tomato paste and light cream cheese with your favorite hot sauce. Mix it, then add the crispy pepperoni with parmesan cheese, dry basil and mix once more until it's nice and creamy. Now take it off the heat and add some low-fat cheese, then grab a tortilla and cut it in half and fold it like shown here, then use some flour mixed with water to act as a glue to hold the tortilla together into this cone shape. Then add some of the filling before sealing it tightly at the top, and repeat the process for the other 9 pockets. Add some light cooking oil spray, top them off with a bit more parmesan and parsley before baking them for a few minutes until nice and crispy.
Don't remind me how you feel in every way. Don't remind me of all the BS you could say. I'm dummy and chained, done with your games. Dummy and played for your entertainment.